stops. Shari Papini arrives.
Good morning.
At court. Shari Papini arrived at Shasta Courthouse. Is in downtown Reading Friday morning to go before a judge for custody hearing as she seeks visitation rights with her children. This woman is part of the Bethel puppet show. There was no kidnapping. Cameron came and told us at Bethel a year before the Papini kidnapping that there was going to be a kidnapping. The whole thing is planned out and plotted to be able to make Christianity
Good morning.
look like crackpots when this information comes out. The entire Papini story is a Bethel staged puppet show. Cameron told us what was going to happen a year before the kidnapping. The kidnapping expert at Bethel told us a year before the kidnapping that he had been brought into Bethel to teach kids going on missions trips how not to get kidnapped. He then explained how he hacked into a federal judge's secure email.
Good morning.
By using an IP address hack, through the judge's wife's non-secure email. Cameron then told us how he stalked 3 Bethel women and cloned their cell phones and knew every personal detail about that victim. The Sean Bowles Bethel connection is a secondary proof of the phone cloning program. This is something very common. Sean Bowles and Chris Valentin are big news right now because Sean Bowles is being exposed for his fakeness. And Chris Valentin is
Good morning.
being brought into that. I'm surprised she isn't in a place for crazy people. She needs treatment. No rights unless she is getting full-blown therapy and help. Does she do therapy or anything like that at all? Not sure why you morons keep giving her the attention she so desperately seeks. She left those kids, don't give her any visiting rights.
Good morning.
Do not give this lady custody back. Why give her the time of day? Guys, it's all a staged show. All of it. 100% of it. Even this video right now that this guy's putting up to show Shari going in to they're making her into entertainment. She is entertainment. She got Bethel on the world stage for the 4th or 5th time, Baby Olive.
Good morning.
And Johnson said that's an order out of chaos ritual. Go watch the video on the channel. It's called Baby Olive Chaos Magic or Chaos Ritual. These people are Freemasonic Luciferians that are just trying to embarrass the faith once preached. They're trying to get people to walk away from their faith before they research it enough to understand that they're in a Freemasonic Luciferian cult. I love you guys. There's lots of videos on the channel. This one right here, how Eminem's Houdini is connected to the Shari Papini stuff. This video right here, Chris Valentin's already been accused of kidnapping children. This video right here, the bright ones, is about human trafficking. In the video, Bethel creating psychics or prophets, just about the 19-minute mark, somewhere around there, Chris Valentin's talking about how he and his psychic group are working with the police department to be able to find the kidnapped children. This video explains the Bethel Baby Olive Chaos Ritual number 33, hidden in plain sight. This video about Bethel Church, Shari Papini kidnapping hoax, and Bethel's kidnapping hoax part 2, more symbolism explained. This video is my personal testimony about how Bethelites worked together to kidnap my son, using the court system, the same court system that Papini's walking into right now. The exact same place. Well, right across the street in the old building that they're about to tear down and pay, $4.2 million to pull down a building that already exists. That property can't be worth $4.2 million, and whatever they're going to build will end up being a sucking money out of the locals' tax money because it's a state piece of property or a city piece of property, which means that whatever they build next has to come out of the taxpayers' pockets. And how many homeless have Bethel created in this town? Over 600. How about we give them that building and they get to make that into their new apartments? I think that would probably help a whole lot more than tearing down the building and building something else for the city to be able to control.
Excuse me.